Hello everyone, I am Tukkagiri. Welcome to channel Cadd+Theory. Volume. In the last video, we discussed about volume of the cube, rectangle, and cylinder. If you have not seen these videos, please watch. Today, we will discuss about volume of the triangle. To find volume of the triangle, we have to multiply cross-sectional area into length of the triangle. Here, cross-sectional area is half into height into base, and length of the triangle is L. So finally we got half into length into base into height. Units is cc. By using this equation, you can find volume of the triangle. So let's see in CAD tool as well as theoretically what value we will get. Let's find out. Let's find out volume of the triangle in SolidWorks Cadd tool. Selecting the front line, taking line and sketching triangle profile. Here height is 100 mm. So I'm changing mmgs to cgs system. Again going to edit the sketch. So now it is 10 centimeter. So base length is 5 mm. Sorry, 5 centimeter. Okay. Exiting sketch. Selecting the sketch. I'm going to future and selecting the extrude boss and providing length is 5 centimeter or 7 centimeter. So we given dimension is height is 10, base is 5 and length is 7 centimeter. Okay, let's find out volume of this triangle theoretically first. Okay, we know the volume of the triangle formula is v equals to half into length into base into height. Okay, so first we know half is 0.5 into height into 10 into base 5 into length 7. Sorry, let's find out again. 0.5 into 10 into 5 into 7. We got 175 centimeter cube. Okay, this is volume of the triangle theoretically. Let's find out in SolidWorks Cadd tool. So going to evaluate and selecting the mass property. So we got same value, volume 175 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. See here 175 and here also 175 we got. In case we have a cut, a circular cut. Okay, let's see. Surface, sketch, taking a circle, giving radius 2. Okay, I'm not constraining this sketch, just taking a sketch profile and selecting the extrude cut. Some blind going to, so we given 7, right? So this is 5 centimeter or 3.5 centimeter off of the triangle. Let's see what value we get. So going to evaluate one mass property. We got volume of the triangle is 164 after cut. Before cut we got 175. That is, please note this. Okay, let's find out theoretically. Okay, first we're going to find this cutout volume. Okay, that is, so we know cylinder. How to find volume of the cylinder is, the formula is pi r square h. Okay, we given 2 centimeter dia, so we need radius, that is 1 centimeter is radius. Okay, so pi into 1 into again 1 into length 3.5 we given, see here. So this total is 7 centimeter. We have given half of the cylinder. Okay, that is 3.5 into 3.5. So we got 10.99, around 11. Okay, around 11 centimeter the cylinder cutout volume. Okay, now we're going to subtract this 11 cc, that is into total volume of the triangle. We got previously 175 minus 11, that is 164 we got. Let's see how much we got here. So same value we got 164 and 164 here. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video, share. Thank you.